The brand sent me this bakeware set, and my thoughts are that if you love bakeware that goes from oven to table to fridge, this 6-piece glass casserole set might simplify your kitchen routine. This is the Moss and Stone 6-piece clear glass casserole dishes with lids. You get 3 round sizes, which makes it really practical for different meals, whether you're cooking for one or serving a family dish. The clear glass design looks clean and classic. They're made from tempered borosilicate glass, designed to handle oven and microwave use. I like that they're transparent so you can easily see how your food is cooking. The lids make them convenient for storing leftovers without transferring to another container. I've used them for baked pasta, side dishes, and even reheating meals. They move easily from oven to table, and cleanup has been simple. If you want durable, versatile bakeware that works for cooking, serving, and storage, this set is a practical kitchen upgrade.